Hello, I'm Shiny, and I'm here to present my assignment exercise one of lab three Python exercise, Python assignment. Mm, so here we are. So yes, this is the exercise one answer, and we can see that. That here we need to first classify that. So it's a class and we need to define that personal information. So this class defines a name like personal information. It acts as a blueprint of creating object that store personal detail. Okay, so under this we can classify some methods. So first, number one, it is init method. So here it's a constructor method to initialize personal information attributes. So what are the attributes? Name, address, age, and phone number. These are the attributes here. Okay, so why we use these basically? So it is basically used for creating new object or creating new class. So this is it. And then the next one is accessor. Accessor is getter method. Getter method, like it is basically to allow access to the private attributes. To private, it is not at all the public attributes, it's basically private attributes. To return all the attributes to be the private, and to access them we use basically get method. Get name, get address, get age, get phone number, all this get method. And the next method is set method and mutator method or mutated method, just like def, set name, set address, set age, set phone number, like this is basically to allow notification of private attribute, just like to update your attribute with a new value. So here basically name, it defines, sets a new name, sets a new address, sets a new age, and sets a new phone number. That's why we use it. After that, to display the personal information we use that display method. So in display method, see, we need to print all this attributes, personal information like name, address, age, and phone number. Okay, after that, I created three instances. That was in the question. Like first one, my information, my personal information, friends' personal information, and family's personal information. And I created like this. So for create instances, we can use this method. Okay, and to display all the information, these three instances one at a time, so we can see the print my information, print friends information, and print family members information, one at a time at a glance. So we can run this program, like here is the option. Yes, run it. So we can see this is the three instances information all together: Shiny Paul, Stay Martin, and Sajal Paul. Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next exercise, that is exercise two. So here the same way we need to classify that class. Here it is, a class is pet, and this defined a class name. Pet is the class name basically, which acts as a template for creating pet object. Under this class we can define that some methods. So first it comes in it method. So it is basically constructor method. It is basically constructed method to initialize three private attributes. Here the three private attributes are name, animal type, and age. So to initialize the pet with the name, type, and age, we use in it this character method. Next one is a setter or method or mutator method. What exactly it does? It basically is to set attribute values, like sets the name of the pet, sets the name, animal type of the pet, sets the age of the pet. So we basically use to set it, set method. And for number 3 is getter method, like accessor to retrieve attribute values, just to like update with the new value, like return the pet's name, return the type of the animal, return the pet's age. And to display all these private attributes, we use this display information method to display the pet's detail all together, like name, uh, animal type, and age. So next one is create an empty list to store pet object. So with the new value, we can create the pets, all the details of the pets. Okay, print all the details. So yeah, next is asking the user how many pets to enter. So here num underscore pet, we can use the integer value. We need to put the integer value so that we can use that int within parenthesis input how many pets do you want to enter. Then I need to create the loop. So I have created the loop within this print parenthesis enter details for the pet. So it is more than one pet. So I created the three option 1 2 3. So you need to enter the pet's name, pet type, and pet's age with the choice. So for this, create a pet object and add it to the list. Okay, so I create all this. So now you need to choose option. So here, as I told, like I create this three option. By choosing or printing the first one, you need to you will have the display of all the pets of information one at a time. If we choose two, then we will it will display or it will show the pets of the specific type. You need to you need to write the specific type in it, and it will show the detail of that specific pet. And if we put 3, so it will exit the program. So yeah, this is how. And if we put 1 in it, so it will display all the pets as this. If we put 2, so it will display pets of a specific type. And if we put 3, so it will exit the program. Else if it is false, so it will show it is false information. Rather than 1 2 3, if we put other than the another values other than 1 2 3, so it is basically invalid choice to put. Okay, so let's run the program. Yeah, how many pets do you want to enter? So if I put 3, so pet number 1, you need to enter the pet number 1. So if it is a pet, so it's a dog. If it's a dog, so it's I need to write dog. And age 2, so it's like petty is a cat. And age 3, and if the pet's number 3 is Kiko, and it's a bird. And age is 4. So yeah, this is why. And if we need to display the option all pets, so we need to put 1, and it is showing all the list of all pets, okay, all together. If we put 2, and then specifically if I write cat, so it is showing all the cats information, not all the only on one cat here, petty cat. And age 3, if I put 3, so it is showing that exiting program. Goodbye. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.